So in this video I want to go through 3 examples of multiplying with standard form and making sure that my answer is also in standard form. So for our first example we have 4 times 10 to the 4 times by 2 times 10 to the 6. So first of all multiply the 4 by the 2 to make 8. And then we have 10 to the 4 times 10 to the 6, which will be 10 to the power of 4 plus 6, so 10 to the 10. And that is in standard form because 8 is greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10. Number 2, we have 5 times 10 to the 3 times by 2 times 10 to the 8. So in this case we have 5 times 2, which is 10. 10 to the 3 times 10 to the 8 is going to be 10 to the power of, well, 3 plus 8 is 11. But this is not in standard form because the number here has to be less than 10. So what I'm going to do is, because I want to move the decimal point, because I want it to be 1 here, 1.0 essentially, but it's just going to be 1. If I'm dividing that by 10 to get 1, I need to multiply this by 10, which means it's going to get me to 10 to the 12. So 10 times 10 to the 11 is 1 times 10 to the 12, and that is now in standard form. Now the third example, we have 8.1 times 10 to the 15 times by 2.2 times 10 to the 13. So we need to multiply the 8.1 by the 2.2. Okay, so 8.1 times 2.2. 2 times 1, 2 times 8. Then we need a 0, 2 times 1, 2 times 8. Add those two numbers together, we're going to get 2, 8, 7, 1. And 2 numbers to the right decimal point, so it's 17.82. So we're getting 17.82 times by 10 to the power of, so 15 plus 13 is 28. But this isn't in standard form because our number here is greater than 10, or greater than or equal to 10 if you like. Okay, so what I'm going to need to do is I need this to be 1.782, so I need to divide that by 10, which means I need to multiply this by 10. So that's times 10 to the 29. And now our answer is in standard form.